Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss reducible equations. So, first of all, what are equations reducible to? Pair of linear equations in two variables. So, such pair of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form from suitable substitutions. Now, how we have to substitute one expression equals to the other variable? Let us see with the help of one example. So our question is 2 upon square root of x plus 3 upon square root of y equals to 2. And second equation is 4 upon square root of x minus 9 upon square root of y equals to minus 1. So name them equation 1 and equation 2. Now see, these are not linear equations because the power of variable is not 1. So how we have to convert them in the form of linear equations? So first of all, the first step is check what is the common expression in both of the equations. So you can see 1 upon square root of x. For that I am multiplying 1 to the numerators of each and every term. Now you can say 1 upon under root x and 1 upon under root y are the common expressions in both of the equations. So let 1 upon square root of x equals to a and 1 upon square root of y equals to b. So now we have to substitute the value of 1 upon square root of x and 1 upon square root of y in our equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 will become 2 multiplied by 1 upon square root of x will become 2a plus 3b equals to 2. And the second equation is 4a minus 9b equals to minus 1. So here I am using elimination method to solve these equations. So for elimination method we have to equate the coefficient of one variable by multiplying something to whole equation. So you can see that if we will multiply first equation by 2, the coefficients of a will be equal. So 2 2s are 4a plus 3 2s are 6b equals to 2 2s are 4. And second equation I am writing as it is because now coefficients of a are equal. Subtract both of the equations. The signs of second equation will be changed and 4a minus 4 is 0. Now 6 plus 9 will be 15b equals to 4 plus 1 will be 5. And the value of b will be 5 upon 15, that is 5 3s are 15, and the value will be 1 upon 3. Now you got the value of b, that is 1 upon 3. Replace this value of b in any of these two equations. So I am replacing in first equation, that is 2a plus 3b equals to 2. So the value of b was 1 upon 3. So the equation will become 2a plus 3 into 1 upon 3 equals to 2. And 3 1 ja 3 will be cancelled. So 2a will be equals to 2 minus 1 and a will be equals to 1 upon 2. Now remember we have to find out the value of x and y, and we know that our 1 upon square root of x is equals to a. So from here 1 upon square root of x will become equals to the value of a, that is 1 upon 2. Now to find out the value of x, take reciprocals both sides square root of x will become equals to 2, or you can cross multiply them, same value will come. Now squaring both sides, square root of x whole square will be equals to 2 square, and then the value of x will be equals to 2 2s are 4. So this is the value of x. Now see, we have to find out the value of y. So we took 1 upon square root of y equals to b, and the value of b is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon square root of y will be 1 upon 3. Take reciprocals, square root of y will be 3, and same like previous value, take squares both sides, square root of y whole square will be equals to 3 square, and the value of y will be 3 3s are 9. So from here we got the values of x equals to 4 and y equals to 9, which is the required solution. Now let us see one more example, that is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4. Name it equation 1. Then 1 upon 2 whole into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 whole into 3x minus y equals to minus 1 upon 8. Let it equation 2. So first of all, to find out the common expression to substitute, let us multiply 1 with each numerator. Now see what is common here, 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y. So let 1 upon 3x plus y equals to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to b. So replace the value of 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 whole upon 3x minus y in equation 1 and 2. So 1 will become 1 into a will be a, and 1 into b will be b, is equals to 3 upon 4. And second equation will become half into, because we took 1 upon 3x plus y equals to a, so it will be half into a minus half into 1 upon 3x minus y we took equals to b, so it is half into b equals to minus 1 upon it. So first of all, let us write them in the simplified form. How we will write? In the first equation, the denominators are 1, 1 and 4, and the LCM of 1, 1 and 4 is 4. And in second equation, the denominators are 2, 2 and 8, so the LCM will be 8. So what we are doing here, multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 8 to get a simplified form, that is ax plus by equals to c. Now 4 into a equals to 4a plus 4 multiplied by b equals to 4b equals to 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4. 4 is cancelled. Same in the second equation, 8 multiplied by half of a minus 8 multiplied by half of b equals to 8 multiplied by minus 1 upon 8. Now simplify them. The first equation will become 4a plus 4b equals to 3, and the second equation will become 4a minus 4b equals to minus 1. Now your both equations are in simplified form. So you can check that the coefficients of a are equal, whether the coefficients of b are equal but the signs are opposite. So let us add them by naming them 3 and 4. So 4a plus 4a will be equals to 8a, and 4b minus 4b will be 0, equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. So the value of a is 1 upon 4. In same way, replace the value of a in equation number 3, that is 4a plus 4b equals to 3. So the value of a is 1 upon 4. So it will become 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4b equals to 3. 4 1 ja 4. Take 1 to the right side. 4b will be equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. So the value of b, take 4 to the right side, will be 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. Hence the value of a is 1 upon 4 and the value of b is 1 upon 2. So let us replace the value of a and b in our substitutions. So we took 1 upon 3x plus y equals to a, which is equals to 1 upon 4. Take reciprocals both sides. 3x plus y will become equals to 4. And the second substitution was 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to b. So the value of b is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 3x minus y will be equals to 1 upon 2. Take reciprocals again. 3x minus y will be equals to 2. So again you are getting a pair of linear equations. Name them equation number 5 and equation number 6. Solve them now. You can see the coefficients of x are same as well as y are also same, but their signs are opposite, so add them. 3x plus 3x 6x and 4 plus 2 is also 6, and x is equals to 6 upon 6, that is 1. Now replace the value of x in any of the equations, either 5 or 6, to find out the value of second variable. So I am replacing in equation number 5, which is 3x plus y equals to 4, and 3 multiplied by 1, because x is 1 plus y equals to 4, then y will be equals to 4 minus 3, that is again 1. So y is 1 and x is also 1, which is the required solution. Thank you and keep smiling.